Most of us start organizing Notion and somehow end up making it even more complicated. But Notion templates are the easy way around that, as here you can grab a setup that's already built instead of spending hours creating pages, databases, and dashboards yourself. And honestly, that can actually be useful when you just want to get things done, whether you're planning your week, tracking habits, or managing projects. So let's take a look at 7 free Notion templates worth trying in 2026. If you're constantly saving things everywhere, this one makes sense. The Second Brain by Chris is basically built to put all that stuff in one place. We've got projects, tasks, notes, bookmarks, and other useful information all connected together. The nice part is that you don't have to keep jumping between different pages. You can quickly add a task, note, or project from the main dashboard. Projects can also connect with their related tasks and notes, so everything stays together. It uses the para method, too, which keeps your information grouped into projects, areas, resources, and archives. That makes finding things much easier later. We also like how the template keeps the whole setup focused on actually getting things done. Once you have a lot going on, basic to-do lists stop being enough. Ultimate Tasks by Thomas Frank takes task management much further. We get separate views for inbox, today, tomorrow, and the next 7 days. There's also a project section, calendar, and daily task area. Tasks can have due dates, priorities, projects, and even smaller subtasks underneath them. Recurring tasks are another useful part, so regular things don't need to be added again and again. The project views also make bigger work easier to break down. We like that everything stays connected instead of random task lists everywhere. Now, sticking with a new habit is usually harder than starting one. This Notion habit tracker keeps the tracking part pretty simple. You can set up the habits you want to follow and mark your progress as you go. The visual layout makes it easy to see which habits you're actually keeping up with. There's also a streak chart, which gives you a quick picture of your consistency. That small visual reminder can make a difference when you're trying to stay on track. We like that it doesn't turn habit tracking into another huge productivity system. You can use it for studying, reading, exercise, sleep routines, or other everyday goals. It's especially useful when you keep starting habits and then forgetting about them after a few days. The next template is for those who create content regularly. This Petra's content calendar gives you one place to keep that workflow organized. Instead of having video ideas in notes, deadlines in a calendar, and drafts somewhere else, you can bring the content planning together in Notion. It's useful for keeping upcoming posts visible and making sure ideas don't just disappear. You can use it to plan different pieces of content and keep an eye on what needs to happen next. That makes it practical for YouTube creators, bloggers, social media managers, or small marketing teams. We like the fact that the template is focused on content planning rather than trying to become an entire business system. It keeps the main job pretty clear. Organize what you're creating and when it needs to go out. Keeping track of money gets surprisingly confusing without a system. This simple budget and finance tracker keeps things much more straightforward. You can log your income and expenses, then sort those transactions into different categories. The useful part is the monthly summary. It shows your total income, total spending, and net balance without making you calculate everything yourself. There are also quarterly views, so you can step back and see how your finances are changing over time. We like this because it doesn't try to turn budgeting into some massive spreadsheet project. You can use it for everyday spending, saving for a goal, school expenses, or even getting a better idea of where your money goes. It's also simple enough to update regularly, which matters more than having dozens of fancy features. But keep in mind that it's still a Notion tracker, not a full banking app. You'll need to enter your transactions yourself. When your day has both small tasks and bigger projects, one simple list can get confusing. Alya's daily task and project management template keeps those things together in a more structured way. You can plan your daily work while also keeping track of larger projects. The layout feels familiar if you've used regular calendar and task apps before, which makes it easier to understand. We also like that the template includes examples, so you can see how the system is supposed to work, instead of starting with an empty page. That makes it useful for students, freelancers, creators, or anyone handling several projects at once. You can use it to keep daily work moving while still seeing the bigger picture. It's also a nice option if you find some Notion productivity systems are too complicated. So compared with Ultimate tasks, this feels more focused and straightforward. Freelancing gets messy when your clients, projects, meetings, and money live in different places. Freelance OS tries to bring all of that into one Notion workspace. You get separate databases for projects, tasks, clients, meetings, and finances. Projects can include things like status, deadlines, clients, and budgets. Then tasks can be connected to those projects with their own deadlines and priorities. The client section keeps important client information and past interactions together. There's also a meeting database for agendas and follow-up tasks. On the finance side, you can track quotes, invoices, and payments. That's the part we think makes this template stand out from the others on this list. It's not just about getting more tasks done, it's built around actually running a freelance business. Alright, which template do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe for more.